It's Karrie with a K. Let's create something great. My real name is Carolina Arboleta, and I'd like to welcome you officially to my channel. We'll be doing all great things, crafting, and I'll be taking you through the process. First, with envisioning a great idea that can either be repurposed of a garment and then creating something new and better out of it, or starting from scratch. I'll also be taking you through the creating process, sitting with your thoughts, getting to know what you really want from this product, how to bring your vision to life, and ultimately reviving is my main goal in this channel. Through thrift shops and finding old pieces and how to revive them and bring them into life. So stay tuned, and I hope to have a lot of fun on this channel with you. So if you want to see how easy it is just to hand paint whatever kind of graphic you want on your t-shirt, watch the video. Hope you enjoy.
Supplies that we're starting out with are a blank t-shirt, the acrylic color paint that you want, and I'm using a magazine to put inside of the t-shirt, and then we're going to paint on the t-shirt with the magazine sandwiched, and my pencil to sketch. The graphic I wanted to use so that you know where my inspiration came from, it's from Captain Marvel. Since I didn't have any rulers, I'm using a box, my placeholder, and then I'm going to use chalk instead of pencil to show where my graphic is going to be. Again, we're just going to use some paint, and I have some white out because I couldn't find any white paint. Here I am squeezing out the paint. This is great if you can find puffy paint because it's just so much easier to work with than the kind of paint I found. But being in New York, the cheapest store is Jack's, and they don't carry puffy paint. So I'm just tracing over my letters in paint. This does not have to be perfect because now we're going to take our paintbrush and we're going to go over it and then make it nice and pretty. And you don't want to use too much paint because the more paint that you pile on, the harder the graphic becomes, and it's uncomfortable to wear, also to wash. So the thinner amount of paint, the better, and easier to fluffy paintbrush rather than a skinny one, just so you can cover up more. For my graphic, the letters H-E-R were the prominent ones. So for A and O, I'm going in with the same brush that I used to paint H-E-R, but I'm actually wiping it off on the newspaper here. I'm wiping off the excess amount of paint, and then I'm going to use that to lightly paint over, and very quickly too in the O, because I want it to look faded and very washed out, like the inspiration image I showed you. I'm also going to add some water just to wash it down even more to make that color really blend in, because I'm using such a bright red. And again, I just want H-E-R to be the main graphic that stands out. So as you can see, I've finished painting. That's all you have to do to hand paint your graphic, and here's the finished product. I styled it with a leather jacket and I think it looks really cute. I love how her stands out. Please make sure to subscribe, comment below any other videos that you want to see, and it's my first YouTube video, so any and all comments will be very helpful. And I hope you guys enjoy, and please hashtag create with Karrie. Any creations that you make, I would love to see your finished product. It's Karrie with a K. Have a great day.